Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will go for the unboxing of Dell WM123 wireless mouse. So first of all we can see that what do we get in the mouse box. That is mouse, nano receiver and one AA battery. And moving on to its specifications. It's reliable wireless connection, 1 year battery life, plug and play convenience and natural intuitive control. So what's the rate of Indian retail unit? So you can see it's of 800 rupees and the year of manufacturing is August 2050. Moving on to its how to open it. So there's a lining here. There's a huge lining between the box and the internal convenience. So you can go for it. And inside you would get that a paper rolled over it. So you can cross out this paper, then you would get your Dell playbook series. So you can go for funding also. So you can see that packing is quite good and the mouse is kept quite safer on the place. So you have to open this particular slot. Here we go, and here we get that. Here's the nano receiver, and here's the mouse setups. So you get that mouse. There's a good, quite standard printing of Dell. That's the premium quality, and there's a scroller behind that. Bought this unit. Well, on the back of that there is a model number WM123, and there's a type of small user manual, and there's a on-off button. You would get the light because the nano receiver is inside. So now your mouse is being started, but nano receiver is to be put into the laptop or or for the